you. Hello, Daddy Pig. This is my friend Susie. Ah, Daddy Pig! Oh, so sorry, Peppa. Wow, this is so messy. Let's clean it up. Here. Look, guys. And the toys can go sit in the chair. Stop! Guys, stop! And subscribe and like. Go! I think Susie needs to be right here. Susie, Peppa. And this Peppa Pig, well, can sit and watch TV. How about that?
Oh, no!
Peppa Pig is watching TV. And this can be right here. And the trash can be like right here in the toilet. And the toy Susie, Peppa. No, it's ready, and it's all ready to start the lesson.
Yes!
Oh, really?
How about we start it right now?
You be the teacher.
Okay, and how about you be the Peppa Pig, okay?
I'll be Susie.
Okay, okay, so guys, we're gonna make the sound 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're gonna guess what animal the sound is gonna be, okay? So, the first one, Susie. Okay.
I'm doing the sheep.
Good job, Susie.
Yes!
Put your hand up next time, okay? The second one.
Peppa Pig.
I know. Yes, Peppa Pig. I don't know. I need Susie Sheep's help. Okay, Susie Sheep.
I can help Peppa Pig. It's a sheep.
It's a chicken. Well done.
Yes!
Now this one. Danny Dog. I don't know. I want Susie Sheep to help.
Take a dog.
Good job, Susie.
That's easy for me.
Okay, how about Susie does the rest then? So, Susie Sheep, do you know what this sound is? Good job. Okay, Susie Sheep. Now it's Alice's turn to make the sounds. You can't look at it or you'll know what it is. So, sound number 4. What is it, Alice? Cow, well done. Now to this one. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, what's number 1? Listen.
Susie Sheep.
Okay. A bird. Second. A dog.
Yeah.
Good job. Now the third one.
Daddy dog.
It's a duck. It's a frog. Yeah, good job. And everyone say it together. It's a bell. It was so fun playing with your Peppa Pig toys, Odyssey. Bye-bye. Thumbs up.